dosa, dosai, many names, but one beautiful dish around which today's video revolves. So by the title of the video, you already know that we are going around Bangalore to try some lovely dosa. Hello guys, welcome to What's Up Tanuka, welcome to a new video. And before I start the video, let me tell you that this video's idea was given by my friend Shudipto. So shout out to Shudipto. Let's go. So guys, I am here at CTR or Sri Sagar now, and there is a line here. So initially when I came, the line was longer, but it's getting shorter because it's almost closing time for the day, but it's still crowded, and the crowd is actually a testament to how popular this place is. So guys, CTR or Sri Sagar actually opened in the 1920s, but the name got changed to Sri Sagar from CTR in 1992, and people still know it by CTR, which is Central Tiffin Rooms, and I'm very excited to just go in and try their very famous dosa, because everyone that I've met whom I've asked where I can get the best dosa, they've always recommended CTR. So yeah, very excited to try this iconic place, and yeah, let's go in. Guys, I've got my butter plain dosa here, and I've met two people here at CTR, making friends here at CTR. So they have got the masala dosa, and I just wanted to show you the masala dosa. This is the masala, and obviously we have got two chutneys here. This is the coconut chutney, and this is the pudina chutney, right? Yeah, this is the pudina chutney. The coconut chutney is really spicy, no? It is spicy for me.
Pieces of green chili in that. But they grind green chili, so
yeah.
into that.
But it's very crispy, but soft on the inside as well.
That is the ghee which is got there on that, right? That gives you that sweet taste when you start eating it after a bit.
Got the waiting line. So
Guys,
this tumbler, yeah.
This is the South Indian filter coffee. So we get a tumbler and we get a bowl in which you have to mix it basically. So originally it comes like this, and then you just have to mix it so that all the ingredients, the sugar at the bottom, the coffee decoction, all of that get mixed together, and then just pour half and half. So have the glass first. While you finish this gets the perfect temperature for you to finish this as well posted. So cheers.
Okay, so guys, I did a video on the best coffee in Bangalore, and I never knew what this is for, but now I know. Guys, the next place that I'm going to is a little controversial, and the reviews that I've seen online and the videos that I've seen online also gives mixed reviews for this place. But the one thing that I've known over the years is never trust online reviews until you yourself try that place. So today I am going to Rameshwaram Cafe to try their famous dosa. This is the Rameshwaram Cafe branch of ITPL, and this was in news a few weeks ago. So this is the branch that I've chosen to have some lovely ghee pori masala dosa. I'm going to go in. It does not seem to be as crowded as I expected, but as you can see, there is a checking now before entering. So yeah, now let's go in. Got the ghee pori masala dosa, and I can see the pori masala spread evenly across the dosa. You have the usual potato filling inside, which is the actual masala in the masala dosa. We have got two kinds of chutney here, one coconut and one made of peanuts, and also sambar as sides to go with the dosa. People usually complain that there is too much ghee or too much butter on the dosa at Rameshwaram Cafe, but honestly I did not feel that at all and actually like the texture of the dosa a lot. So guys, I'm here during lunch time, but obviously I'm going to try their famous masala dosa. And the specialty of these dosa here at MTR is that they use red rice and black lentils to make the dosa batter. So I'm very excited. I have not ordered yet. It's quite crowded, but not as much as I expected. So let's see. Okay, so this is my masala dosa. They've given a little bit of ghee on top as well, if I want to add, which I think is really good. This is the first time that I've seen something like this, giving some ghee with the dosa separately. And obviously we have the sambar and the coconut chutney as accompaniment. So the outer layer of the dosa is really crispy, and let me just open this up. Okay, so we have the masala right here, and I can see some green chutney spread across the dosa as well, which again is a specialty of Mavalli Tiffin Rooms or MTR. So yeah, now let me take a quick bite of the dosa. Taking some masala. I'm not going to use the sambar or the chutney in the first bite. Let's just taste it as it is. So first bite right here. Really good. As I said, it's very crispy on the outside, but inside it's equally soft. The taste of the masala as in the potato itself is not overpowering, it's very subtle. It's going so well with the dosa. Now let me take another bite with the sambar and the coconut chutney. There's a reason that this restaurant, this chain is there for so long. It actually completed 100 years of service in 2024. So it's really good. It's really flavorful. One of the best dosas that I've had here in Bangalore. So it's really worth it. You have multiple outlets of Davangere Benne Dosa across Bangalore, where you can have some lovely masala dosa. Okay guys, so I am right here at Davangere Benne Dosa, which is one of my most favorite places here in Bangalore to have some lovely dosa. And Benne Dosa literally means butter dosa. They call dosa here, so butter dosa. And obviously you guessed it right, the specialty of these dosas are that they are full and filled with a lot of butter on top of it. So yeah, let's try that. Guys, we have a lot of options right here. So I'm going to take a butter masala dosa and a butter khali dosa. So guys, this is our masala dosa, and they have given this coconut chutney along with it, and this is the khali dosa. So we also have the coconut chutney along with it, and then a side of this potato filling. Now in masala dosa, obviously you have the masala inside, the potato filling masala inside, but here it's khali, which literally means open, and they do not have any fillings in it, and this is the potato filling that they have given as a side. dosa literally means butter dosa, so that means the specialty of these dosas is that you have a lot of butter sprinkled along on top of it. It's so good. It's not as big as the normal masala dosa that you have, but it's so flavorful. It's a little spicy. Even the coconut chutney goes really well with it. They do not have the sambar as a side like you usually have with the other dosas, but it's so delicious. Guys, if you're new to What's Up Tanuka, please subscribe. There are so many people watching the videos but not subscribing, so please subscribe to What's Up Tanuka and enjoy my videos. Okay guys, so that was the end of today's video, but picture abhi baki hai mere dost, because this was just the end of part 1 of this video. Now there are so many good restaurants here in Bangalore that I could not contain all of those restaurants in one video, so there are many more places that I have to explore for good dosa here in Bangalore. And yes, for that you have to stay tuned on What's Up Tanuka for part 2, which is going to come very soon. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.